Hello guys, I hope I'm audible. So today we are going to talk about the traffic. What are the types of the traffic and what is pros and cons of each type of traffic and which type of traffic is best for any particular website. It might seem simple sometimes to get the traffic, but what happen with the businesses that they are very happy in the initial days with the amount of traffic they are getting, but slowly they lose motivation because all the traffic they are getting is not converting to the businesses. Because for the blogging it's okay that you are getting traffic, but then even you need to control your bounce rate. So here I am talking about the businesses that are selling online, not a big e-commerce platform but even a smallest store. This video is going to helpful for uh, those webmasters who are running the businesses online and they are selling something to the people. So the first thing is getting the traffic, but the most important thing is getting the right type of traffic. And if you are not getting the right type of traffic, then what people do, they will visit your website or blog and they will have a look and they will close the website. So this problem actually occurs with the social media traffic, referral traffic. So now let's start. There is a traffic called organic traffic and referral traffic. So organic traffic is a type of traffic when you are getting the traffic uh, with the after doing the SEO of your website. So your keywords came up in top ranking position in Google and someone type the keyword and your website appear in top and users click on your website and they reached your website. So that's the organic traffic in simplest way. What is referral traffic? Referral traffic is when you have shared the link of your website. Suppose there are popular social media websites like MySpace, Twitter, Pinterest and other websites like Facebook. So what you do, you post your link there in your wall and when someone click on your website, on that link they reach to your website and that's referral traffic. So there is basic difference in between referral and organic traffic. Now let me tell you why organic traffic is best. The thing is, organic traffic is the traffic which has the potential to bring the maximum business to you, because organic traffic comes from the keywords. It comes from the keywords and people type the keyword in search engines and they see a list of websites selling the same product and among them yours is one. They click on your website, they come to your website. So suppose if I am at the place, uh, just it is an idol of Buddha. It belongs to Buddhism. Suppose I am going to sell this product very soon. So what I will do? Uh, Suppose you need to buy similar kind of statue, and you are coming through the organic method. You are typing in keyword like buy Buddha palm statue, something like that, and searches appear in front of you. and one of them is my website. You come to my website, you check the product. So what you will do the next, you will also have a look to the other products that I'm selling in my website, and you will probably look for two three more products. You will search for the reviews or the price details and etc etc. So the first benefit is that your bounce rate will be zero in this way. Normally it's not zero even in organic, but it's lower than the traffic that you are getting through the referral channels, other referral channels. The first thing is that your bounce rate is lower, and that's a major success for e-commerce websites, because if my website's bounce rate is zero, what it indicates that I have a great site structure. Now on the other hand, you see advertisement on the Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr or Facebook. You saw this picture and you like this picture and you reach to my website. There are chances that you will see the face of this Buddha and something like that, and you will leave the website. Even if you are not leaving the website, what you will do, you will go to Google and search for similar kind of items. In my according to me, that's the possibility. And the fact is that the bounce rate is much higher in referral traffic as compared to the organic traffic. So what I will do, I will see the picture and I will left the website, because I want the best piece and I will also compare the item. But when you are coming from the Google, you are already comparing the items. And there are chances that you will buy the product. Even if you not buy the product, you will see the related products. And the other thing is that referral traffic is not guaranteed. Whether you are coming from the Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, MySpace or Facebook, people can just look to your product, but there is not guarantee that he will buy. Referral traffic might be cheap, and getting the organic traffic is costlier, because organic traffic we attain through the SEO. There is a process of search engine optimization. We optimize our website according to the search engines, and it takes time. There are millions of websites, maybe thousands, selling the same product. Your website need to follow the guidelines provided by the Google, and if you are following the guideline, then you will get the chance to come at top positions. So second thing is that organic visitors are those who are ultimately searching for this product only, so they will buy my product. There are chances, higher chances. I can show you the different stats where you will see the difference, because state of mind is an important. When people coming from social media websites, they are browsing, scrolling their own profile or social media networks, they are looking for other people's. They see an image, they came to my website and they left. Sometimes it might be helpful, useful, but most of the time, if you're not aware, if you not analyze properly, you might going to lose the money. So according to me, SEO is most important. If you have a online store, you are selling something to the visitors, what you need to do is you need to look for your SEO factor. Make your SEO stronger and stronger and stronger, because if you put dedicatedly 3 or 4 months in the SEO and 100 to 150 keywords come in the ranking, then what it will do, it will provide you the regular traffic. Regularly you can expect the traffic 100 200, normally you will get the traffic. What you will do, if you advertisement on social media networks, whenever you stop the payment, you are from that day you will not get anything. You will only get the traffic when you pay something to the social networks. And the other thing is that some people might say that they are sharing the link to their timeline, but the thing is that I don't think that all the friends will see what I'm posting on my timeline, especially if I'm posting any link. So they will probably ignore the thing. So according to me, for all the websites, all the business websites, what important for you is to look for the SEO factor, because SEO can make your game. And take the SMO with you, but do not just focus on SMO. Well, if you have the budget, then even I suggest to balance the SEO also, because the day you will not pay to social network, you will get nothing. But suppose you are working uh, on your website with the SEO technique, then suppose I left the work today, then even after 1 2 3 months I will continually getting the traffic, continuously getting the traffic. So that's the benefit of the SEO. And according to me, SEO is the best as compared to SMO. Many professionals have the may have the different approaches, and I'm not saying they are wrong, but according to my experience, do not ignore the SEO. If you are going to ignore the SEO, then it might cost you a lot. Your competitor might get reach at those top positions. So that's all for today. uh, if you have any question, you can let me know. I will post the link of my article, which will contain more information about the SEO, SMO, and probably it will be the same what I said in this video. So you can check out that link in the description. So thank you for watching, and I may start very soon selling these kind of products. Not surely, but maybe in the future. So thank you for watching the video. Thanks.